Hello guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make money on Cardinal. You might be wondering, can I make money on Cardinal? Yes, you can make money on Cardinal. Because we all know that Cardinal is a app that we use to redeem or sell our gift card. Do you understand? But you can make money on Cardinal because let me tell you, last month, in the month of January, I was able to make 170,000 only on Cardinal. Do you understand? I will show you. I have the evidence. I will show you. Do you understand right now? So that is why I'm bringing this update for you guys. Do you understand right now? I always bring you something legit. Do you understand right now? So if you are watching my video for the first time, my name is Segmat. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my updates. And also like this video so YouTube will push it out for more people to see. Then the next thing you can do is to share this video. Do you understand? Share it for more people to see. And let's dive into this video. This is how it goes. Go and download Cardinal app. Do you understand? If you don't have Cardinal app before, go and download it. Do you understand right now? And after you download it, open it and it's going to look like this. You can see sign up and you can see it says select your country. And you can see it says email and phone number. Do you understand right now? Let me select NG, Nigeria. You can say email and phone number. What it's saying is that you can decide to register either with your Gmail or with your phone number. So if it is phone number, you move to this side. If it is Gmail, you move to this side. Anyone you want to choose. Then the next thing is to put your active Gmail here. If it is Gmail or if it is phone number, put your phone number. Make sure it is a functional Gmail or phone number because you are going to get a code through it. The next thing you are going to do, you can see verification code. Jump to where it says password. Leave that verification code first. Jump to where it says this invitation code to register. Let me tell you, you can decide either to put the invitation code or not. But if you put this invitation code, they are going to give you a welcome bonus of 3,000 naira and they are going to reward me for showing you this app. Do you understand right now? But if you didn't use this invitation code, you are not going to get any welcome bonus. That is how it is. So I would say you should please use this invitation code to register. Do you understand right now? So after you have done that, you go back to where it says verification code. You can see at the front of it, you can see send. Now tap on that send. Immediately, they are going to send code to your Gmail or your phone number, depending on which one you use. Then take that code and put it here. Immediately before it expires, click on sign up and your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? Now I'm going to log into my own personal account and I will show you what you have to do. Do you understand? Then I'm going to show you the evidence, all the money that I withdraw last month. That is how it is. Now let me log in, guys, and we continue. Now you can see I've logged into my own account and you can see Segmat. Do you understand right now? Now let me show you something. Let me go to transaction. You can see, let me go to transaction and I'm going to go to withdraw. Let me go to withdraw. Let me go. You can see now, before I go to withdraw, you can see a reward, you can see reward, you can see reward. This network, you can see. But now let me go to this side. Let me go to this side. Now you can see the money I withdraw. You can see this is even January 1st, February 1st, I withdraw, but I want us to calculate the money I make last month. You can see 6,600, 5,000, 13,008, 19,570, 5,900, 21,000, 15,000, 13,000, 28,000, 15,000, 35,400. 27,170, 30,600. These are the, okay, I think I've get to, okay, this is where it started, where it says 13,000. Then calculate it up. You see it is over 170,000 naira. So do you understand right now? So, and these are the reward money. It's not for gift card, it's the reward. Do you understand? It's the reward. Do you understand? It's the reward. So you can make money on Cardinal. And this is what you are going to do. What are you going to do to make this money? Do you know what? Cardinal is giving you 1% on everybody that you bring to Cardinal that register with your invitation code. So as that person is selling gift card, they are giving you 1%. It's not out of that person's money, but this company is giving you this money because you tell these people, you help them bring customer for their business. Do you understand right now? Just like you help them bring customer to their shop to do business with them. So that is why they are giving you 1%. And this 1% is forever until that customer decide not to come again. But as long as that customer keep coming to do business with them, they keep giving you 1%. This is how you are going to make money. This is how I was able to make this kind of money. Because if I could check my this thing right now, I have almost going to 400 or 300 on my this thing. Do you understand right now? And this is what you are going to do. You go to where it says invitation. I think invitation. Let me go this way. You can see invite. Do you understand right now? You can see this invite. You copy it and send it to anybody you tell about carding. And let me give you one secret that you can use to make a lot of money with carding. When you go to my channel, when you go through my channel, you will see some video that I make about how to sell gift card on carding. Do you understand? If you can watch that video, master that video, and know how I teach on that video step by step, master it, you also go and practice it. Do you understand? Go and practice it. Do you understand? And make that video yourself. All you need to record that video is just to download a screen recorder for your, just download screen recorder. And after you download screen recorder, start it. And after you start it, start explaining and tell them what to do. Tell them to sign up with your invitation code, and tell them how they are going to be selling their card. Do you understand? If you find value in this video, make sure you like this video right now. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my updates. So after you have done this, as people are coming in and they are selling their gift card on this platform, you are getting 1%. And this is how you keep getting money. And now, after you have made this video, this is what you are going to do. You can be posting it on your WhatsApp status. Do you understand? First thing you need to do is to go and create a YouTube channel. Do you understand right now? And post it on your channel. Do you understand right now? So when you post it on your channel, then copy the link of that video that you post on your YouTube channel and go and post it on your WhatsApp. So as people are seeing this on your status, they are going to click on that link and it will take them to YouTube. They are going to watch it. And when they watch it, if they want to, they can register. And if it's someone that is selling gift card, they can register and start selling their gift card. So with that, you keep making money. Do you understand right now, guys? Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to like it. And don't forget, if you can write something in the comment section. If you have any question, I'm going to answer you guys. So this is how I was able to make this kind of money on Cardinal. Do you understand right now? One love, guys, and I'm going to see in another video tutorial. One love. One love.